What's up everyone, Lisa here with NewRockStars, and in this video I'm going to show you how to demo Indie Atlas, which is our online database full of contacts and information, useful information for the unsigned independent musician. So the main directories are located here in the main navigation, and you can see there's a ton of them, and there's over 10 different directories, from music blogs to music magazines, music reviewers, newspaper, radio, fairs, festivals, podcasts, the YouTube and Spotify playlist curator contacts, and all of the artist, booking agent, artist management, and music licensing supervisors, and even A&R record label contacts. There's bonus materials too that you can go through that will help you to further market your music, and templates that you can use, email templates that we've created so that you know exactly what to say when you're pitching your music to these contacts. The other thing that you should know is that we have organized most of these contacts where it makes sense. We've organized them by genre for you, so that way you can just scroll down, in the drop down menu, and you can easily find the context that makes sense for your music. That'll save you tons of time. And then the other thing is that the files, they come as CSV files. The majority of them, I think there's only one PDF file or two PDF files. Everything else is a CSV file, which means that you'll be able to instantly import these contacts into your Gmail in just a matter of minutes, and we'll show you how to do that in a different video. Once you do download the contacts, they'll look something like this. As you can see, all of the detailed information is there, from the media outlet to the sector that they cover, the phone number, emails, the names, their position, location, all of that stuff is there. So you'll have all this information. There's over 50,000 different contacts in total at your fingertips inside of Indie Atlas.